Village Panchayat Korlem is organizing such event for the last many years, and I think as a social responsibility, this is a very important event as students from this area they get motivation as this event is like a pat on their back. They have excelled in their educational field, and I think such type of events help to create a bonding and develop village as a whole. I want to congratulate Village Panchayat Korlem. They are doing wonderful job, and all-round development of the village is the priority and their motto.
These are 57 students were felicitated, and the main objective for that was not because of the envelope, but it is just a token of love from our side, from our panchayat.
As a panchayat, our responsibility for students to take the first cognizant development. With the development, we want to see them from the village who are studying and going to facilitate our duty.
आजच्या स्वातंत्र्य दिनानिमित्तान कोल्हे पंचायतीन ऑर्गनायज केल्ले फेलिसिटेशन कार्यक्रमाक आज बरी उमेद बघता आणि हांव खऱ्यांनीच पंचायतीचें अभिनंदन करता की इतकी वर्सां पंचायत दर वर्षा प्रमाणे ह्या भुरग्यांचे फेलिसिटेशन करता आनी त्या भुरग्यांक प्रोत्साहन दिता. त्यांच्या पेरंट्साक आपल्या भुरग्यांनी कितें केलां हें तांकां प्रत्यक्षान त्यांचो गौरव जाता आसतना पळोवपाक मेळटा.